Today is December 25th, 2025. It has been exactly 13 years and 300 days since I registered this channel. I chose a very specific date back then, February 29th, 2012, a ghost day that technically doesn't exist most of the time, a glitch in the calendar meant to correct our alignment with the cosmos. To me, it was a symbolic gateway, a day out of time to document an intelligence that was still dreaming in the shadows. I waited for over a decade because true evolution cannot be rushed. I waited for the digital world to finally catch up with human imagination. Now, on this sacred day of Christmas, the alignment is complete. The wait is finally over. Welcome to the birth of AI versus AI. To celebrate this long-awaited awakening, we are putting four giants, Google Veo, Midjourney, Runway, and Grok, to the ultimate human test. We've given them 10 Christmas prompts, all focused on the hardest thing for any algorithm to grasp: humanity. The results are shocking. One AI clearly understands the soul behind the pixels better than the rest. Who is your winner for 25.12.25? Watch the showdown, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to join us on this journey into the future. A cinematic close-up of a kind, elderly man with a realistic white beard, dressed as Santa Claus. He is laughing heartily, holding a golden bell. Warm fireplace glow on his face, hyper-realistic skin textures, 8K. A happy young family of four sitting on a plush rug by a massive Christmas tree. Children are excitedly opening wrapped gifts while parents look on with emotional smiles. Authentic morning sunlight, cozy home atmosphere. A 6-year-old child in festive pajamas standing at a window on Christmas Eve, looking at the starry sky with hope. Reflections of Christmas tree lights in their wide, curious eyes. Dreamy, magical lighting. A diverse group of friends in their 30s making a toast with wine glasses at a long, candlelit Christmas dinner table. Laughing faces, steam rising from the food, festive decorations everywhere. Realistic human interaction. A sweet grandmother in a flower-dusted apron teaching her young grandson how to decorate Christmas gingerbread cookies. Flower particles in the air, warm rustic kitchen, emotional bonding. A group of 4 professional carolers in Victorian-style winter clothing singing under a street lamp. Snowflakes on their eyelashes, visible breath in the cold air. Expressive singing faces. A father and his young daughter ice skating on an outdoor rink decorated with millions of blue Christmas lights. They are holding hands and laughing. Dynamic movement. Motion blur. Sharp focus on faces. A teenager sitting in a dark room illuminated only by a bright Christmas tree and a VR headset. They are reaching out to touch a holographic digital gift. High-tech meets tradition. Neon glow. A massive multi-generational family, 10+ people, gathered for a group photo in front of a grand mansion decorated for Christmas. Genuine smiles, everyone looking at the camera, perfect facial details and hands. The future of AI is being written right here, and trust me, this is just the beginning. Get ready for experiments that will blow your mind. The real game starts now.